They have fun.
Yeah.
Thank you, Mimi, for coming today.
Thank you
Around
for
the
that trip
island.
going around the island. It's like I told Floyd, James and Sonia wants to go around the island, and I'm going with them unless you want to go. And then he said, "Really? How come you always ask me when I can't go?"
Hard head man ang wife.
Aloha is a lifestyle.
Is it burning your couch now, Mimi?
Yeah, it is. No, I'm fine now because now I can go out.
No, Floyd, because Floyd has been
Oh,
sitting there
he
back
moved
and
around
forth.
from living room to the computer back to living room, then he lay down, play his tab, then he start watching TV, and then he fall asleep. He gets up really early. Yeah, I heard him taking shower around 5 in the morning this morning.
Wow, because he used to early, but he need to wake up early.
He gets up early and then he fall asleep in between.
It's like me. Yeah, honey.
Mm-hmm.
And then, yeah, he can pass out whenever he wants, so he gets up early.
I was in the office, James said, "Shucks, I cannot sleep." He
Not
went,
like before.
so he went to the bed, he cannot sleep, and then he went back to the living room.
Fall asleep. Somehow that couch and the TV, I can fall asleep.
Like Floyd, we were watching TV last night, and then I passed out in between. I wake up, pass out. We went to bed like 1 o'clock. He woke up at 5.